Hey friends, it's your pal Arty Loon here, and welcome to your official Arty Loon Show Magic Kit tutorial where I take you step by step through every single magic trick and show you the ins and outs of what it takes to be an amazing magician. I'm super excited to be here. Let's get your lesson started now. Congratulations on receiving your official Arty Loon Show Magic Kit. What you'll receive is your famous zigzag pencil, your mystery spot trick, and your floating match trick. Not just that, you'll also receive a booklet with 50 additional magic tricks you can learn from household items. Welcome back to your 50 Easy Magic Tricks booklet tutorial. Today we're teaching you trick number 49, the vanishing quarter. You take the quarter, you put it onto the very center of the table. You then place a normal salt shaker on top of that quarter. You then take a napkin and place it right around the salt shaker, remember, on top of this quarter. You then wave your hand over the salt shaker and the quarter, and instantly that quarter has now disappeared. Sorry, one more time. It's a snap of the fingers and a wave, remember? First the snap, then the wave. Snap of the fingers and then wave, and the quarter should be... Oh, you know what? Trick 49 isn't a disappearing quarter, it's a disappearing salt shaker. How do I do it? The secret next. Welcome back to the secret of trick 49, the disappearing salt shaker. You'll need three things: the salt shaker, a coin, and a paper napkin. You'll see why it has to be paper in just a few minutes. You place the coin onto the center of the table. You then place the salt shaker on top of the coin. You then place the paper napkin over the salt shaker. We use something called in magic called misdirection. The coin serves as misdirection. You say you're going to make the coin disappear. In reality, you know you're going to make the salt shaker disappear. You then go, remember, we're going to make the coin disappear. What happens is, you look up at the coin. You grab the coin to remind them that the coin is going to disappear. In reality though, your right hand goes to the edge of the table and actually drops the salt shaker into your lap. The paper napkin actually holds the shape of the salt shaker. So when you come back over the coin, it looks like you still have the salt shaker in your hand. See? You then wave your hand, snap your fingers, and you mistakenly say, I haven't made the coin disappear just yet. I know what it needs. A bigger wave or a bigger snap. And you still haven't made the coin disappear. Then you remember, oh wait a minute, I didn't learn the disappearing coin trick. It's at this point you take the handkerchief and you smash it to show that this salt shaker is gone. This one's one of my favorites. You'll love this one. The lesson comes up next. Hey folks, it's Arty Loon here again, and here is your lesson for trick 49. What you'll need is a paper napkin, a quarter, and a regular salt shaker. Here's what you do. You use the coin as misdirection. You place the coin onto the very center of the table. Then you place the salt shaker on top of the coin. You then take the paper napkin, place it over the salt shaker, and then form it around the salt shaker. Just like this. Got it? Good. Now, you pick up the salt shaker and the napkin together and you place it towards the edge of the table. You reach over to the coin, and when you pick up the coin to your eyes, you take the salt shaker to the end of the table, still holding onto it, and when you say you're going to make the coin disappear, you drop the salt shaker into your lap. The salt shaker is now gone, but the napkin holds its shape. Then place the coin back onto the center of the table. Then put the napkin and what seems to be the salt shaker over the coin. You then wave your hand, snap your fingers, and then show that the coin is still there. You pretend like you messed up. You do it again, one more time, bigger shake, bigger snap. Take your hand off, still there. Then you do a little acting. You go, I forgot, I didn't learn the disappearing coin trick. I learned the disappearing salt shaker trick. You then smash the napkin, crumbling it up, showing the salt shaker has disappeared. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed trick 49, the disappearing salt shaker. We hope to see you guys the next time. Thank you once again for joining us here on your official Magic Kit tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed all those fun magic tricks, and we hope to see you guys again next time.